Feeling lazy or tired is very natural and is an indicator of low energy levels of your body. But the real problem starts setting in when you feel lazy all the time, from the time you wake up to your bedtime. Now, behind this laziness lie very simple reasons which, if you are able to counter, you can easily kick out the couch potato inside you. So what is up guys, this is Gyasum and welcome back to Fit Fraternity. In today's video, I'll be talking about 6 very significant reasons why you might be feeling low on energy and tired all the day and what you can do to fix it. Also, what I'll be telling you are very subtle lifestyle changes which can have rather a huge impact on your productivity. So I'd advise you to watch this video till the very end. Now let's get started. Now, one of the biggest reasons why you might be feeling lazy all day could be how you spent your night. That is, if you didn't get enough high quality deep sleep or your sleep cycle was disturbed in the middle because of your alarm, you might feel less energetic and your body might even ache like you have fallen down. Now, here's how you can work on that. First of all, do not consume a heavy dinner and keep a gap of at least 3 hours between your final meal of the day and your desired bedtime. If you feel hungry during this time, you can have a cup of warm milk, which will not only extinguish your hunger but also boost the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Secondly, do not expose your eyes to blue light at least 2 hours before your desired bedtime, because your body reacts to the change in light around you. If you feel the need to do so, choose the lowest brightness setting on your device and a blue light filter. And lastly, do not sleep at the wrong time. Although naps are great for recharging your body, a sleep of more than 45 minutes during the daytime could adversely affect your sleep cycle and lower your sleep quality during the night. Now, this also brings us to the second point why you might be feeling lazy throughout the day, which is lack of sun exposure. As I've said before, our body reacts to the change in light around us, and the sunlight exposure directly affects our circadian rhythm. And that is the reason why most animals naturally sleep at night and stay awake during the day. Also, the deficiency of vitamin D in our body leads to fatigue, tiredness, and weaker bones, the source of which is none other than sun. So here's how you can get your daily dose of vitamin D and sun exposure. Check out the time of sunrise and sunset in your area and wake up accordingly. Expose your body to sunlight within an hour of sunrise for 30 minutes, exposing your navel and back for 15 minutes each. The sunlight an hour before sunset can also be soaked in the same way. Now, the third reason as to why you might be feeling lazy and tired is the consumption of refined carbs like refined wheat flour, white bread, or refined sugar. This is because refined sugars inhibit a receptor called orexin, which promotes the feeling of wakefulness and appetite. Now, here's how you can work on that. Consume more natural sweeteners like jaggery, stevia, honey, maple syrup, dates sugar, etc. Consume food high in protein because they have a low glycemic index. Also, protein excites orexin cells, which promotes the feeling of alertness and wakefulness. Apart from making you feel tired, sugar also has many other side effects like a weakened immunity and unhealthy weight gain. So it is better to avoid sugar as much as possible. Now, this also brings us to the fourth reason why we might be feeling lazy throughout the day, which is lack of exercise. Now, lack of exercise leads to a slower pumping of blood, leading to lower energy levels as less amount of oxygen gets delivered to all parts of our body. Moreover, as the resistance being offered to muscles begin to decline, our muscles get deconditioned or weakened in simple terms, making ordinary tasks like staying upright or lifting something quite difficult. Now, here's how you can work on that. Engage in a workout session for at least 30 minutes every day. Now, this could include following a beginner's workout routine, engaging in a sport, cycling, running, jogging, or anything that gets your blood pumping. If you can't dedicate an hour every day to workout, try finding opportunities throughout the day to work out, like doing push-ups in between study breaks and planking while on the bed. Also, starting your day with skipping ropes and jumping jacks can prove to be a more effective way to wake up than coffee. Now, this also brings us to the fifth reason why you might be feeling lazy throughout the day, which is excess consumption of caffeine. Now, if you think coffee is the only villain here, you might want to rethink, because caffeine is contained in a variety of drinks, including aerated beverages, energy drinks, black tea, and even green tea. although the last two have a fairly low concentration of caffeine than the first two. And here's how caffeine makes you feel tired. Caffeine stays in your system for up to 10 hours. So any of it consumed after 12 p.m. can really mess up your sleep cycle, leading to issues associated with lack of sleep. When caffeine enters your system, it blocks the processing of adenosine in your brain, but not its production. So as soon as the caffeine wears down, all the built up adenosine makes you feel very tired. And this is also called the caffeine crash. Lastly, coffee increases body heat and is diuretic in nature, which leads to a more rapid fluid loss from the body. Now this also brings us to the last but not the least reason as to why we might be feeling lazy or tired throughout the day: lack of water or dehydration. 70% of our body and 90% of our blood comprises of water. When we consume less water, the blood volume in our body decreases, which puts more pressure on the heart. And lower volume of blood also leads to a lower supply of oxygen and nutrients to our body organs, which can lead to tiredness, headaches, fatigue or dizziness. And this is how you can fix it. Always keep a water bottle handy, be it on your work desk or your bedside, because you will automatically drink more water when you can see it available in front of you. Secondly, replace sweetened or aerated beverages with water whenever possible. This will not only increase your water intake but also decrease your sugar and caffeine intake. And lastly, you can use water reminder apps to remind you to drink water from time to time. With this, now we come towards the end of today's video. Now I hope you have a clear idea of how you can increase your productivity and focus throughout the day by kicking out that couch potato inside you. However, if you have any queries, you can comment down below or hit me up at FitFraternityYT on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So until next time, bye bye.